Hey friends, if you wish to fix internet time sync error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. Check all the three boxes and click on sync now. Wait till you get a tick here. If this doesn't help, then just restart your computer and try it again. But if that doesn't help either, then search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Time Service. Right click on the Windows Time Service and then select Start. Okay, or if it is already started, then select Restart. This is important. And once you do that, it should work. Now, in the rare case that this doesn't work either, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.